It's our most advanced phone yet, with a beautiful, sophisticated design and a pro-level camera with performance to match. You can see the premium polished aluminum finish on the camera bar and housing, which complements its 3 colors. Pixel 7 Pro has an upgraded, super sharp 6.7-inch display. With its variable refresh rate, you get responsive gaming and smooth scrolling without killing your battery.
Camera technology is strong on Google Pixel. Now, clearly, they've trailed the leader Apple, and they're never going to even be within miles of Apple from a market share perspective. But that's not what Google is trying to be. They're really going after some share gains mid-market here, going after Samsung. Samsung's definitely tripped over their shoelace on their last few product releases. And I think there's an opportunity here in the next 12 to 18 months to gain share.